Welcome to Chandrasekhar Research Academy of Business Studies. In today's video, we're going to discuss the risks and consequences of not doing real-time projects as an MBA student, and instead, relying on shortcuts, like taking Xerox copies of previously submitted projects. Many MBA students make the mistake of avoiding real-time projects and opt for an easy route, taking old, copy projects. But what are the consequences? First and foremost, you lose the chance to apply the theories and frameworks you've studied to real-world situations, severely limiting your practical understanding. By not working on actual business problems, you're missing out on hands-on experience. Instead of developing critical skills like decision-making and problem-solving, you're merely recycling someone else's work, gaining nothing in terms of practical business knowledge. Skipping real-time projects also means losing industry exposure. You won't get the chance to interact with companies, understand how businesses operate, or learn about current market trends. This puts you at a serious disadvantage when you enter the job market, as you lack the real-world experience employers look for. By avoiding real-time projects, you also miss the chance to develop essential soft skills, like leadership, teamwork, and communication. These are the skills that recruiters value, and without them, you'll struggle to stand out in job interviews or during team-based roles. Copying projects from previous batches means you're not building any professional connections. Real-time projects allow students to network with industry mentors and peers, which could open doors for future job opportunities. Without these connections, you're left navigating your career path alone. Another major consequence is that your resume becomes unimpressive. Employers can easily spot copy projects, and this tells them that you lack the initiative to take on real challenges. A resume full of shortcuts isn't going to land you the job you're aiming for. Furthermore, when you enter the workforce, you may lack confidence in handling real business challenges. Without any real project experience, you won't have the ability to apply your knowledge effectively, which can hinder your career growth. And let's not forget, you'll be out of touch with industry trends. Real-time projects help you stay updated on market shifts, customer behaviors, and business operations. By copying old projects, you're stuck in the past, disconnected from what's happening in the real world. So, what happens if you avoid real-time projects and take shortcuts? You lose out on practical knowledge, industry experience, soft skills, networking opportunities, and a strong resume. You enter the job market with a major disadvantage, all because you chose to avoid real-world experience. But here's the good news. This is not a big task for a student who has dedication, interest, curiosity, and passion for success like you. Real-time projects are well within your reach, and with the right mindset, they can become the stepping stone to a bright career. All it takes is commitment and a willingness to learn. Don't let this be your story. Embrace real-time projects, take the opportunity to learn, grow, and prepare yourself for a successful MBA career. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more content like this, remember to like, share, and subscribe to Chandrasekhar Research Academy of Business Studies. Make the right choices for your future.